Mongoose?
This is not a discussion.
But this is my home. I don't even know what man's like.
Learn.
But I want to stay in the jungle. Why do I have to go there?
Because the jungle is no longer safe for you. You're being hunted by a tiger. Only man can protect you now.
Whoa. This isn't fair. You're not giving me a choice. There's a lot of stuff you're not telling me too. Don't think I didn't notice. You say you're taking me where I came from, but you found me in the jungle. Are you bringing me back to the jungle? No. Why are you bringing me to the man village if you found me in the jungle? And why does the tiger hate me so much? Doesn't he know me? Sure seems like he knows me.
Down.
What, now he has to bow to the buffalo too?
Listen to me, this is not a game. You're gonna run to that ravine.
What are you talking about?
Go to the north where the sky glows at night. I'll find you on that path.
Bagheera, I'm not taking one more step.